In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 404 page in Wix using the Wix editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Wix account. Once you're inside your site dashboard, go ahead and launch the Wix editor for the website you want to work on. Make sure the editor fully loads before moving on, since some menu options can take a moment to appear. Using Chrome is helpful here because it tends to work smoothly with Wix and helps avoid loading or interface issues while editing your site. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the core site management options. From that toolbar, click the Pages and Menu icon. This section is where you manage the structure of your website, including the pages visitors can navigate to and any special pages you want to create. If you're new to Wix, this panel is especially important because it gives you a clear view of how your site is organized. After opening the Pages and Menu panel, look for the option to add a new page. Click the plus icon labeled Add Page. Wix will then show you a selection of page types or layouts to choose from. For this process, select a blank layout. Choosing a blank page gives you a clean starting point with no extra design elements already in place, which is useful when setting up a custom page that serves a specific purpose, like a 404 page. It also gives you full control over what you may want to add later, without having to remove any default sections first. Once the blank page has been added, the next step is very important. Rename the page so that the title is exactly 404. Be sure to enter it precisely as 404 with no extra words, symbols, or spaces. This naming matters because it helps identify the page correctly for its intended use. Take a second to confirm the page title was updated properly in the Pages and Menu panel before continuing with any future customization. At this point, you've successfully created the foundation for your 404 page in Wix. You're now ready to move on to designing or customizing that page as needed. Keeping the setup clean and correctly named from the beginning will make the rest of the process much easier.